Hello everyone, my name is Adam Twilight, this is Hex Mania, and welcome back to Pokemon Conquest. So, we just got some more recruits. So, I'll deploy you here. Okay. You can go here. You can go here. Yeah, we'll advance to the next month. Okay. Okay, so... we'll march you over here for now. Then... take you over here. And let's see. You're kind of by yourself is the issue. Let's take both of you over here. Okay, and then we'll train everybody up. Seems like there's a potential... oh, we got grass types. We're chillin'. Okay. Okay. Okay, and... oh god, okay. Actually, I think we'll keep you out of the line of fire. Stop! Oh my god. Okay. I really thought I'd be anyone as powerful as you. Okay. Right there. Okay. We're doing okay. We're doing just fine. That raises attack. Okay, that's not helpful. Okay, let's move you here. Fight. I'll just use this to raise attack. And then... there we go! Hey! There we go, wonderful. And we'll recruit you. Yes. Yes, join them! Join them and just chillin' over there. Much obliged to you. I shall gladly join your forces. Cool. Wonderful. Now they're all friends over there. Alright. Then... you all can chill in the cave. Alright. Honestly, this whole thing is very interesting. Okay, I think you're gonna chill over here, actually. Okay. You, I can just continue attacking from there. Okay. Flame wheel. And you get back up. Okay. Tapping flinch, that's fine. Okay. And let's just finish the law. There we go. A. Alright. Then we'll train up a little here in Greenleaf. Okay. Alright. Okay, increase speed. Okay, you can chill there. Okay. Okay. Alright. I think we'll be fine to take on, Fontaine now, I think. Yeah, like, look at that compared to that. We'll be fine. Alright. Fontaine is home to lots of water-type Pokemon. Fire-type Pokemon might find it hard. But Grass-type and Electric-type Pokemon should be really useful. Okay. I'll take reinforcements for Aurora. No. Yeah. Want you as the reinforcement. Okay. Let's go. Shan't surrender, you know. I plan to use my opponent. I face my opponents with all the strength I can muster. Alright, let's do this! Hell yes! The Kingdom Montane. You wish to challenge me in battle, and what might your main be? So you were Adam. I'd heard that a war had a new warlord, but I always thought that we'd meet on the battlefield in Aurora, not here. Well, never mind. A battle is a battle, no matter where it takes place. Okay. Hear the rhythm of fate. The spirit of the water gushes forth. Shall we sample some of it? What's going on? There's water everywhere. What's your plan, Adam? Defeat is only a matter of time, unless you do something. And the number of turns remaining reaches 0, challenger loses. Okay. Well, if you just need someone to close the floodgates, then I can't. Okay. I'll get you over here then. Okay. Oh. Interesting, okay. Okay, let's go. Can you feel it? There's something flowing down from the north. Something big. It's a wave. A crushing black wave. It will not sweep me away. I'll continue to fight. Continue to cry out. You wish to resist? Excellent. Okay. One word with the challenge. Communicate with Pokemon. Time to... Nah. Okay. Oh god. Okay. I'm not too sure just what just happened. Let me just, oh god, okay, yeah, I'm not too sure what just happened. Oh god. Let me just... I'm just gonna consider the save state one. Okay. I'm just gonna reboot Desmume in hopes that that fixes it. Oh god. At least I have a save state. Okay, recent ROM. Okay. Okay. Something's going on here. Oh goodness. Okay. There we go. That fixed it. Hey. Okay. What does your ability do? Slowly restores HP. Okay. Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Okay, we'll start taking you down. Okay. 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 Let's get you to finish off the Wooper. Bitterbowl, this is not over yet. Okay. Alright, alright. Let's do this. Okay. I think we'll go with you next. Yeah, you should be able to just... Okay, and then... Okay, their turn. Yeah, that's fine. Right here. I should have fought, but whatever. Absorb. Take that down. Just watch as I just get his entire army at this point. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. They can take the damage. Okay, and finish this off. So this is it. Haunting Castle's ours! Yeah! Woo! Okay. I'm sure we'll have plenty of new recruits. I'm just curious how much like we've recorded so far, because I'm just having fun here. Okay. Alright. Nice. And I can recruit all of them! Nice! You won fair and square. The kingdom of Fontaine is yours. But even though my castle is lost, my Pokemon will never leave me. Together we will continue to resist the tides of fate. Okay. I'd like to take all of you. Yeah. And then I think we should... Okay. I think I'll send, like, y'all over to Ignis. Okay. Oh, Lord Adam, congratulations! You've heard the stories too, haven't you, Lord Adam? Legendary Pokemon who is said to appear before the one who conquers all the kingdoms. The truth is that, right now, Ronsei is on the brink of destruction. Far to the north of Aurora, a certain warlord has set out on the road to conquest. His name was Nobunaga. His stated aim is to conquer all the kingdoms and destroy Ronsei. Why do you want to destroy Ronsei, buddy? Nobunaga's trying to destroy Ronsei. He probably wants to use the power of the legendary Pokemon to do so. So I think we should find those legendary Pokemon before Nobunaga does. That way we can save Ronsei. Luckily, Nobunaga's reach hasn't extended this far south yet. Pugilus, Violet, and Cresselia are the three kingdoms nearest to us. Each of the warlords is famed far and wide for their courage and strength. If we can get them to join us, their army would truly be formidable. Yeah, I'd like to save. Okay, so Pugilus is fighting types. We don't really have anything good against. Violet, I think, is electric, it looks like. And Cresselia is bug. But you can't get access to... Oh wait, we do have access to Violet, but it looks like we won't have access to Cresselia unless we defeat Violet or Pugilus first. Which... I mean, we have a lot of grass types. We can probably just go straight for Violet and be done with it, but... Oh yeah, but we still have things to do. Right. Okay, let's just... Okay, that's just got Pokemon. There's people here in Greenleaf. Let me just... march you over here. And then you two can stay there, but green leaf, we can enter. We should be able to use these 3. Okay. How did you miss? How did you miss? Okay. Okay, and you can just start wandering this way. And the angel here. Okay. Okay. You're too good, I must confuse you defeat. Okay, there we go. Alright, wonderful. We can recruit him. Take him. And I think I'll end the episode there, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!